Want safer trading and better profits? Learn how to set stop loss the right way and find the hidden promo code inside. Want to know the tool that protects your account from big losses, even on bad trading days? It's called stop loss, and beginners should never trade without it. A stop loss automatically closes your trade when the price moves against you. So how do you choose a good stop loss level? Let's break it down. One option is to set it below the last support level, that zone where the price previously stopped falling and bounced upward. On the chart, you'll see candles touching that area and rejecting it. If the price breaks below support, your trade idea is no longer valid, and the stop loss protects you instantly. Another option is using a simple risk rule. For example, risking only 5 to 10% of your deposit on each trade. This keeps your losses small and predictable. Let's look at it with simple numbers. Imagine you're trading for the first time and you need to choose a stop loss. You open a long position at $100. First, you check the chart. You see a support zone around $92, a level where the price bounced several times. If you use the support method, you place your stop loss just below that zone, for example at $90. Now let's compare this to the percentage method. To make the calculation easier, we assume that your deposit was the same as your entry price. If you follow a simple 5% rule, then 5% of a $100 deposit means your stop loss would be at $95. So if your entry price was at $100, you'd move your stop loss down to $95. And here's a great thing about Margex. The interface lets you set a stop loss as a percentage of your deposit with just one click, which makes risk management much easier. So now you have two possible stop loss levels. $90, support-based, $95, percentage-based. For beginners, the safer choice is usually the one with the smaller loss, so you might pick $95. If the price falls to your stop loss level, the trade closes automatically, your loss stays limited and controlled. Traders who use stop loss stay in the game. Ready to protect your trades like a pro? Watch our step-by-step stop loss guide and hit subscribe.